An excavator isn't just a machine, it's a weapon in the hands of the master operators. One flick of the bucket, one smooth spin, every move is executed with mind-blowing precision. One small mistake could mean disaster, but for these pros, everything is under control. Think this is just an ordinary job? Think again. Get ready to be amazed by next-level skills that will leave you speechless. Oh my goodness, a lightning-fast escape. Nature never forgets. What goes around, comes around. Who else dares to challenge Mother Nature?
Allahu Akbar.
Wow.
Lari, Agus.
Ditches with millimeter accuracy. The Talus bucket expands the working range, while the laser system delivers top-tier elevation control. No errors, no wasted effort. This is the ultimate weapon for large-scale irrigation, land leveling, and trenching. Who's ready to see cutting-edge tech dominate the dirt? Here it is. Here it is, the true beast of mining. When the Caterpillar 640 gets to work, there's no messing around. With just one scoop, an entire mountain of dirt and rock is lifted like it's nothing. The Hitachi and TX dumpers just sit there with their mouths wide open, while this giant cat keeps loading non-stop. Still think mining is slow and boring? Watch the Caterpillar 640 in action and prepare to be blown away. Welcome to the ultimate showcase of raw power. The Komatsu PC 4000, a true giant of the earth, is delivering steel punches, dumping massive buckets of material into the Caterpillar 785B fleet. Imagine this. Each bucket can hold up to 22 cubic meters of material. That's like scooping up an entire small swimming pool in one go. Just a few scoops, and the 150-ton truck is fully loaded. Fast, precise, and seamless, this excavator and truck combo moves in perfect sync, like a flawlessly choreographed dance of heavy machinery. Oh boy, one careless move and everything goes off the rails. Just a little more caution and this could have been avoided, but now that's a lesson they won't forget, paid for at a hefty price. Hold on, did anyone just see that? The LR-11350, a 1,350-ton beast, is moving like it weighs nothing. Torben Raffen and BMS Heavy Crane just turned a massive operation into a breeze. Watching it glide is like seeing a skyscraper on the move. Smooth, effortless, and absolutely mind-blowing. Split second between total control and absolute chaos. Dust fills the air, rocks come crashing down, and the excavator barely pulls back in time. One more second, and it could have been a disaster. But wait, what's that? A truck just passed through moments before the collapse. If it had been just 45 seconds slower, we'd be looking at a pile of twisted metal. This isn't just a lesson in safety, it's a wake-up call that in the world of heavy machinery, one small mistake can mean life or death. If your heart isn't racing after watching this, you must have nerves of steel. Oh man, check out this incredible setup from the Netherlands. They're installing drainage pipes with a high-tech device mounted on an excavator. Precision in motion. But wait a minute, did you catch that? These pipes have a flat bottom. Could this special design be for extra stability, easier installation, or maybe to suit unique terrain conditions? Whatever the reason, it's a clever twist that really makes you think. Innovation at its finest. Oh man, no brakes, no blocks, just pure overconfidence and one disastrous decision. In a split second of carelessness, both the truck and bulldozer slide right into the house, straight out of an action movie. Who needs demolition crews when you've got a driver like this?
¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón, güey!
Oh boy, folks, feast your eyes on this beast of a machine. The Lee HS-895 HD, a true heavyweight champion with a jaw-dropping 200-ton lift capacity, an 84.2-meter boom stretching toward the sky like it owns the place, and a 670-kilowatt engine that roars like a king of the job site. But wait, it's not just brawn. This bad boy is modular, adapting to any site like a pro, and its cutting-edge winches make every move smoother than a hot knife through butter. Power and precision, this machine defines it. Get ready for an epic adrenaline-pumping performance, because this workhorse doesn't just lift, it dominates. a heroic self-rescue. When the truck was tilting dangerously on the verge of flipping over, the excavator not only saved itself, but used its long arm to brace and support the truck, helping it conquer that treacherous path. A bold, clever, and downright hilarious moment. Truly the spirit of a construction site warrior. Tension is through the roof. The 40-ton drilling machine is stuck deep in the mud, teetering on the edge of disaster. One wrong move, and this beast could become a construction site sculpture right then and there. But wait, rescue team in position. This isn't just a recovery mission. It's a high-stakes showcase of skill, determination, and a daring touch of bravery. Thrilling? Absolutely. A heart-stopping moment at the construction site. The Coca crane suffers a failure, rocking like a real-life action scene. Hopefully no one was hurt, but everyone watching must have held their breath. This isn't just an accident. It's a stark reminder that in the world of construction, a single mistake can turn everything upside down in an instant. Tense, thrilling, and enough to make anyone's heart race.
Oh, fuck.
This little tracked vehicle was just supposed to move the trailer into place. But whoops, it took a detour straight into the ditch. A 14,000-pound 70 HP machine doing its job just fine, until it met this tricky terrain. Now what? Should they start hauling a D9 for every mobile home move? Bravo! Incredible teamwork, but wait a second. Something feels a bit off with this excavator flip. This technique might be putting way too much stress on the frame, maybe even warping its structure. Courage is great, but precision and safety are the real game changers. Remember, completing the mission is key, but keeping the machine in one piece is just as important. Let's not turn a rescue into another disaster. Oh boy, this isn't just a machine, it's a mining monster. The RK5000 weighing a staggering 5,600 tons and devouring up to 9,000 kilowatt-hour of power. Now that's what you call an energy-hungry beast. And check this out. 4450 M3 of overburden ripped through every hour. Power? Absolutely. Durability? No doubt. After countless overhauls, it still stands tall like a true legend. If there's one symbol of mining strength, this is it. A heart-stopping moment. The Manitou tries to dodge the brick pillar, but the price might be far greater than just a few broken bricks. This is a tough lesson in decision-making in tight spaces. One small mistake can lead to massive consequences. A mission not for the faint of heart. Reviving Hunley and Eni Road demands only the boldest and most seasoned experts. Treacherous terrain, danger at every turn. This isn't just a job, it's a battle against nature. One slip, one small mistake, and things could go way beyond expectations. Huge respect to these fearless professionals. May they stay safe and steady on this intense journey. Oh no, a multi-million-dollar disaster unfolding right before our eyes. The crane lifts, and boom, everything comes crashing down like an action movie, just without the special effects. So who's handing out the perfect plan award for this team? A costly lesson, literally. Grading a ski slope? Sounds easy, but in reality, it's pure madness. Steep inclines, slippery snow, one wrong move, and this machine could turn into an unintentional downhill racer. But hold up, this is where the Mensimuk M545X takes center stage. Its adaptable legs conquer any terrain, and its powerful hydraulics move with the grace of a figure skater. Watching it carve out perfect, seamless ski runs is like witnessing a sculptor at work. This beast isn't just a machine, it's a true game changer. A heart-stopping moment. The forklift dives forward like it's greeting the ground. Who's to blame? Just one mistake, forgetting to lower the outriggers. Now the whole machine tilts under the crushing weight on the forks. Lesson learned, gravity shows no mercy.
Jesus.
that's an A+ accident, if I've ever seen one. The Cat 793 drops straight onto the ship, lands clean, no damage, no injuries. Now that's luck. One wrong angle, and it could have been scrap metal overboard. You can bet everyone watching held their breath, and then let out the biggest sigh of relief.
Fuck's sakes.
A breathtaking sight, a massive truck strains to haul a towering crane, weaving through the tight streets of Ashbourne as locals stop in their tracks, eyes wide in amazement. This isn't just transportation. It's a high-stakes showdown between commerce and steel, unfolding right in the heart of a bustling shopping district. A crane forgetting stability is like walking a tightrope over a canyon without a safety net. Short outriggers, heavy load, and boom, an expensive lesson is on the way. Just one small mistake, and the whole site could turn into a pile of scrap metal in seconds. Everyone watching is probably holding their breath, hoping this doesn't end in a wallet-crushing disaster.
그 이후에 이제 지역 예술인들이 재능 기부 창업이라고